Desperation has set in among some residents in northern St. Elizabeth. They're flocking to the only place they say food relief is being distributed. Krista Campbell has the details.
Water settled in a section of the Magotty Square in St. Elizabeth, while trees stripped of their leaves line the roadway like sentinels keeping guard over what's left of the northern town. But this is only a snapshot of the devastation Hurricane Melissa left behind in this part of the Breadbasket Parish. Residents tell the rest of the tale.
Windsor, Spring, Pangtown, almost everywhere is devastated. Partially, we have trees, falling poles and utility poles and wire. We try to remove some to allow access of motor vehicles and foot patrol. To an extent, we have gotten some success.
Nothing left. Nothing left on my place. One suit is storm left on my back. And my papers in my gun with on my back. And one suit of clothes. Everything else wet up.
He says he ran out of his house to save his life when he heard an ominous sound. But the residents here are already trying to put things back together.
I take me up here, take up back zinc and I'll try and nail up. We go and live in a city more. Me and my daughter.
Now across northern St. Elizabeth, there's an urgent need for basic food items.
All the food stuff are come around, we never get none. Only yesterday we get and today. Yeah. And we decide so we can't stay here. That's to come out yesterday. Come out on the front cause if we can get little something.
At the Siloa Primary School, it became evident. The grills of a classroom, the only protection from a desperate mob eager to get their hands on a bottle of drinking water.
Come to use the internet, but when we get out the internet not working, and I see the chop coming with the patty and juice and water, patty and water apple, now come and collect some.
So far, the food relief in northern St. Elizabeth has only been distributed by non-governmental organizations. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.